sun may be shining on a new day, but a mangled mess of boats and debris are a reminder of Monday night's severe storms that wreaked havoc on the Points West Marina at Clarks Hill. Tuesday morning, as crews worked to assess the damage, owners peered out into the water, wondering if their boat was spared.
It was nerve-wracking, not knowing what we were going to see when we got here.
Luckily for Pat Hamilton, her son's boat was kept intact.
We got news that the area where his boat is fine, so we are very happy. He said the boats are still tethered, so we're very relieved.
Patty Stoltz and her granddaughter spotted their boat in an instant, and to Patty, it's much more than a watercraft.
This is where I go to get away when life gets too tough. And I get out here and you forget about everything, and just for a little while it gives you that little bit of time of just recharging.
She'll now be able to once again take to the waters for some relief.
I was very grateful to see that it's just got cosmetic damage from what we can see.
By mid-afternoon, Columbia County EMA, Fire Rescue, and Fort Gordon Hazmat, along with boat rescue crews, set out extra containment booms and started bringing in the undamaged boats one by one. It's a slow process, but a necessary one, in order to start a full cleanup of the fuel-contaminated water. And those working to clean up the damage say it's going to take a while.